In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a global business or simply need to adjust your accounting settings, changing the currency is a pivotal task. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to access Zoho Books. This is your go-to platform for all things related to your business finances. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. This can help reduce any confusion as we proceed with making these currency changes. Next, direct your attention to the settings icon within the platform. It's usually represented by a gear icon, positioned towards the top or side of your interface. Clicking on it will open up a list of options, where you can control various aspects of your account. Once the settings menu is open, look for the section labeled Currencies. This is where you can manage all currency-related settings. Clicking on Currencies will bring up a list of available currencies that your business might be using. Now, select the currency you wish to change by clicking the Edit button next to it. This action will open up a window allowing you to make necessary adjustments. Here, you might want to consider the implications of changing the currency, such as how it will affect transactions, reports, and any linked integrations. Make sure to double-check the currency code, symbol, and exchange rate if applicable. After you've made the necessary changes, you'll need to click on the Save button. It's essential to do this to ensure all updates are stored within the system. Saving your changes will confirm that the currency information is updated across your Zoho Books environment. Finally, if you need to adjust your base currency, the currency that your accounts default to, you'll find an option marked Change Base Currency within the same currencies section. By changing your base currency, you change the primary currency in which all your financial reports and transactions are interpreted. It's a significant change and will carry system-wide implications, so proceed with caution. Ensure that your entire financial infrastructure and record-keeping align with this new base currency to avoid any discrepancies or confusion later on. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing the currency in Zoho Books. Remember that while these changes are straightforward, they can substantially impact your financial data, so always review everything thoroughly. If you encounter any issues or need further clarification, Zoho's customer support team can provide additional assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck with managing your finances more efficiently.